In this video, I'll show you exactly which settings to turn off to improve the privacy and security of your phone, Google account, and Gmail. Let's get started. First of all, open Settings. Scroll down and tap Google. Here, select All Services. Scroll down to Phone Number Sharing. This setting allows Google to share your phone number when supported apps or websites request it. For better privacy, I recommend turning this setting off. While many services are legitimate, others may misuse your phone number, leading to spam calls, unwanted advertisements, promotional messages, and other annoying offers. Disable this setting. Then let's move on to the next step. Now open Google Chrome. Tap the three dots in the top right corner and go to Settings. Scroll down and select Addresses and More. Here you'll find the Save and Fill Addresses option. When enabled, Chrome saves the addresses and phone numbers you enter on websites to autofill them later. For better privacy, I recommend disabling this feature if you don't want your personal information stored for autofill. Turn this setting off, and let's move to the final step. Go back to Settings and use the search bar to search for Permission Manager. Open Permission Manager under the App section. Pay close attention to permissions such as contacts, phone, and call logs. Let's start with contacts. Think about which apps actually need access. For example, if your Gallery app has permission to access your contacts, that usually isn't necessary. Open the app and select Don't Allow. Go through each app and remove permissions that don't make sense. Essential apps like phone, messages, and contacts typically require contact access, but many other apps do not. If you're unsure about an app, you can always deny the permission. If the app genuinely needs it later, Android will simply ask for permission again, and you can choose to allow it. Repeat the same process for phone and call logs. Review every app carefully and remove any unnecessary permissions. Keep only the permissions that apps truly need. Helps protect your privacy and reduces the risk of exposing your phone number, contacts, and call history. That's it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe for more tech updates.